Hey everyone, this is Peggy with Sweet Tea Makery. Today we're going to make a double loop bow and we're going to use a patterned ribbon. This is what I call a vertical patterned ribbon where the design goes from top to bottom. But I want my loops to match and my tails to match on the same sides with the same pattern. And this is how we do it. Okay, we're going to measure out a 9-inch tail. We're going to pinch. I'm going to place it in my thumb with the tail and the pattern facing down. Next, I want to make a 5-inch bow. 5-inch loop bow. So I'm going to measure out 10 inches and I'm going to pull that loop and pinch it and put it in between my thumb and forefinger. Now, we're not going to twist. We're going to use the wrong side of the pattern and measure that same 10 inches. We're going to take that ribbon and pull it over instead of twisting, and we're just going to pinch it in the middle. Okay? So now you can see that we have 2 loops that have the matching pattern, and our tail will also be in that same direction, our first tail. Again, we're going to use, now we're with the right side, we're going to go 10 inches. We're going to pull it to the back and pinch and place it in between our thumb and forefinger. Okay, now we're going to be on the outside of the ribbon, or the not pretty side, measuring 10 inches, and you can pinch it this way too and place it in there. So now we have 2 loops on this side with this matching pattern and 2 on this. Now we're going to have a tail on top and a tail on bottom, and that's perfectly fine. You can leave your bow right here, or you can layer or stack your bow with coordinating ribbons as you so desire. But you can take a zip tie or a pipe cleaner or a floral wire as your tie off. I'm using a pipe cleaner. I'm just coming down that center. I'm pulling and pinching with my thumb at the same time in that center, and I'm just going to twist it off about 3 times. Then you can fluff your ribbon, your loops, and I'm going to pull this tail to the back and leave this one forward. So now we have a coordinating looped pattern bow. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again soon. Have a great day.